Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings. And after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger, that's blue dot. And that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone. Then select here the settings icon and you'll open the full just volume panels here. Just to mute your device ringtone, hold and swipe to the left side, this dot, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.